Hello everybody, it's Squiddy back here with another video, and today we're going to be playing Robloxian High School, and let's go. So first, okay, I don't know what to do. So what should we do? Go. Oh yeah, shout out to One Tough Curl, my sister right here. And also, everybody go subscribe to me. Hit that little notification bell, and please comment anything, and share my YouTube channel, and see what you could do. Like if it I'm only at like a couple subscribers, and also a shout out to Aiden Zavala. He is a YouTuber too, and One Tough Curl is not, but I'm just shouting her out because she's my sister. Aiden Zavala is my classmate, and he also puts up really good content, and go subscribe to him. And so yeah, and oh jeez, I really want to know stream, but I've been trying and I can't. And let's get my okay, there we go, and let's go to settings. So where is it? Get out of here, Clovis. My dog is named Clovis. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. And everybody, I absolutely suck at this game, so don't judge me. Oh crap. Ow, 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 get, okay. Oh jeez. Let's go D. Just right here. Can I like get in? Thank you. Can I get up? Thank you. So. Yeah! Okay. Come on. Stupid. Just get. Yeah, like I said, go subscribe to Aiden Zavala, and let's try and get this video up to at least 5 likes, and it's a goal, at least, just at least, and nah, it doesn't suck, but yeah. So actually, I'm gonna switch up the game, and I will be right back. And you will know it's gotta be jailbreak. Yep, jailbreak. So yeah, and I'm gonna pick which one I should be, and I'm gonna be prisoner. I'm a floating head. Yay! Okay, that was awkward. It's just yeah. And everybody, if you wanna friend me on Roblox, my name is 240 Jordy. I will probably put it in the description, and my game is not loading, and that's a problem, and I'm annoying, and why did I just say that? Okay, whatever. What? My tool? Oh, my toolbar was. What the? Literally, like, it. My game is not loading. Finally. Finally, it's loading. I'm slow. Okay, what the frick? Hi to YouTube channel. And okay, now binoculars. Go. I glitched, just like usual. Freaking game sound is annoying. Okay, there. Good enough. How am I already almost dead? Jeez. Let's go. And I'm really sad that they patched the no clip thing. And yeah. So let's go over here. Wait, and I also forgot I had this car. I'm gonna drive that. There we go. Go in the garage. Almost. And in we go. And please. Wow. That's good enough. There we go. And I think it's a level 5 engine. It should be at least. Ooh, I want to see if I have the money signs. Rims. No, I did not. I'll buy them anyways. I'm not gonna drive the dune buggy. Thanks you that Bob, friend. I think I'm gonna go a little harsh and like start arresting people. Let's go. Can you like get out of the way? Thank you. This thing like accelerates pretty fast. So many Bugattis and Lamborghinis. There's like 2 Bugattis, 2 Lamborghinis. Let's see if I can get in here. Whatever, I'm just gonna wait. Can you like not move my car? People are noobs. Thank you, bye. Thank you, and get arrested. Frick that noob. such a noob. My god. I think I've been recording for a while, actually. Okay, so... Nope, didn't mean to do that. Yeah, got down, oh my god. I think, not get out of my car. And I missed the first shot. Like, this guy... I'm recording. No, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna... Wow. Got a paycheck at least. Yes, I do have the dentist shirt. And... So, actually, I'm gonna... be prisoner. The stupid freaking thing won't let me. Yeah. Yay, finally. Jeez. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna escape my original way. And I think I have 4 minutes left of recording. Let me put my map up. Oh yeah, also, it's another way. I forgot about this way. If I get a pickpocket this guy, I will enjoy that. And these people are literal noobs. Yep. And I'm gonna go. Nope, no can do, boy. Oh my god, this freaking girl just glitched me into the ground. Oh, you can't get me now, huh? Oh my god, he literally went right by me. Oh my goodness. Oh, how? Oh crap. Crap. Don't see me. Don't see me. Yes. You guys. Oh. How are they not seeing? Oh god. Crap, no. Don't. Thank you. Holy crap. Crap, I thought. Yes. Yes. Haha. Get out of here. Yes. Oh my god, my dog's barking. Thank you for the ride. Sorry, chat. Can I go to a city or not? Why not? I guess right here is better. Thank you. And bye. Bye, have a great time. Can I get in my car? Thank you. Hoppala. Wow. Do you smell like tacos? Your mom. Can I like go any faster, please? Like this is not helping at all.